Hi, I'm Kenny Loy. I'm a certified nutritionist, and I have been helping people with their health since 1999.
Hi, I'm Joann Loy, and I'm a certified raw vegan chef, and I have been uncooking since 2010.
We are here to help you with going more raw to restore energy and immunity. Do you remember those times in your life when you felt indestructible?
We want to show you how to get that feeling back where you can enjoy your best health yet. I'll be teaching you quick and easy recipes that will help you incorporate more raw food into your diet, but still be delicious. And we're not talking just carrot sticks here.
And I can definitely confirm how delicious her recipes are. I'll be teaching you new as well as ancient nutritional concepts in an easy to understand way. I will give you tips and tricks on how to eat more raw food and why you need to for greater health.
And we also understand the cost of healthy foods and appliances can be a little costly. I will give you tips for getting healthy on a budget. Believe me, I'm a thrift queen. I've been dubbed that by my friends. I love to find bargains, and I'll be happy to show you how.
This all began when I discovered that I had several food allergies, which now include dairy, corn, gluten, and cashew.
Recreating dishes that he once thought he could never eat again has been my goal, and I want to share that knowledge with you. You don't have to give up your comfort foods. It's not as difficult as you may think.
Let's face it, everyone knows, even with the unlimited amount of scientific proof, that raw fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds are the best foods on God's green earth. Why not increase those delicious, nutritious options in your daily meals? What would you have to lose except maybe that sluggish rundown feeling?
This lifestyle is for optimal health. If you follow it 100%, you can enjoy the best health you can ever imagine. However, even if you only adopt about 50% of it, you can still improve your health.
As we like to say,
you already know how to cook. Let's uncook.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our channel and ring the bell to be notified of any new videos.
Thanks for coming, and see you soon. Bye.